Welcome back to the topic of syllables. Let's start with rules of syllabication. Every syllable has one vowel sound, and the perfect examples for this kind of rules are the CVC words cat, sip, jet. The number of vowel sounds equals the number of syllables in a word. So as we can see in the example, publish, there are two vowels and hence two syllables, publish. Same goes with subject, subject. A one syllable word is never divided. Example, stop, bell. Consonant blends and digraphs are never separated. Resting. So rest and ing. When a word has CK or an X in it, the word should be divided after CK or X. So example is taxi. So after the syllabication happens after X. So tax and E. A compound word is divided between the words that make the compound word. For example, football. So football. Paint, brush. When two consonants come together, syllabication should be done after the first consonant. Example, butter. So as you can see, after the vowel there are two consonants. So the syllabication would happen after the first one. So butter. Again, N and G are the consonants, but we are dividing it after the first consonant, which is N. So hungry. Next, when a single consonant comes between two vowels, syllabication is done after the consonant. So habit, after. So habit, cap, n. Prefixes and suffixes should be separated from the root words. Teacher, so teach, bicycle, so by, then sickle. If the first vowel is long, then syllabication is done before the consonant. So this is basic. So it is happening before the consonant. If the two vowels they come together but aren't vowel pair, then syllabication happens after the first vowel. Like example is lion. So two vowels are coming together but they are not forming the vowel pair. So in that examples we are doing it after the first vowel. If this consonant is followed by LE at the end, then syllabication should be done before the consonant. Fable, apple, table. So we are taking BLE, PLE and BLE again. If the word ends with CKLE, then syllabication should be done after CK. Okay. In the previous rule, we saw that the consonant is with the LE. But if it is coming, the K is coming with, it is coming as CK, then CK is, the division has to be after the CK. Tickle, so tick and then all. Frick, all. Buck, all. If the all is preceded by a vowel, then nothing needs to be done. Example, sail, smile. So LE, so there is A before LE and here I is before LE, but nothing has to be done. So this is one syllable words, sail, smile. Now comes syllable patterns. These patterns are based on the rules that we have already covered. But let's understand more through examples. So if there are two consonants, the division happens after the first consonant. So in the first example, N and T both are the consonants. So syllabication is happening after the first one, which is N. So dentist, elbow. Second pattern is about the compound words. Okay, so handshake. Then is VC, CCV. There are three consonants in between. That is, if you will observe, the initial blend is there. Tr. So, and we have already gone through the rule that no syllabication happens in the blends. So, contract, lobster, complex. Next, the vowel, consonant, vowel. If a consonant is surrounded by two vowels, and if the first one is the long vowel, then it happens before the consonant, that is behave, spider, rotate. Again, there are two vowels which are surrounding the consonant, but this time because it is a short vowel, so it is happening after the consonant. So fin, ish, lem, What happens when there are two vowels but they are not forming the pair? In that case, the syllabication happens after the first vowel. Lion, poem. And finally, VCC, CV. So again there are three consonants. But if it is a final blend like sandwich, so N is a final blend, so you cannot do the syllabication in the blends. Similarly, pumpkin, M is again the final blend. And here we come to our last topic, and that is beginner's guide to spot syllables. Very simple ways to teach them the concept of syllables and words. Let's go through the first one. Look for vowels in the word. Put the dots under the vowels. Like we have example of trumpet here. There are two vowels. We are putting the dots and then drawing the line joining these dots. Now the second step is to look for the consonants. Check the syllables patterns to divide them into syllables. So here it would be, there are two consonants if you can see, M and P. So we are doing it after the first one. So trumpet. And here again it is river. Okay. This is based on the two vowels and one consonant. So we are, because it's sound of, that is a short vowel of I. So we are doing it after the consonant. Next is the use clap method. Clap for every syllable in the word. Examples. Mat. So you have to clap it once. Kitten. So clap it twice. Then you can use the jump method. Ask your kid to jump every time they say the syllable in the word. Examples. Pumpkin. So there are two syllables. Pump and kin. So they can jump twice. Next is use tap method. Tap the table for every syllable in the word. Examples. Net. So tap it once. Tickle. Tap it twice. Then we move on to our next in the list, which is use color code. Next in the list is using color codes. Kids can color syllables in different colors. Lion, so lie and un. We are using different colors for the syllables. Elbow, different colors. Finally, we have come to our last method, which is the tile method. Kids can place syllables in different tiles. So mailbox. So I have made rectangular tiles here. So mailbox. Then butter. This brings us to the end of our second video on syllables. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel Activity Corner for more informative and knowledgeable videos. Thank you once again for watching and have a wonderful day.